We've explored the power of non-verbal communication and how it shapes our interactions. Now let's broaden our perspective and explore the fascinating realm of intercultural communication. In today's multicultural world, we're increasingly working with colleagues, clients, and customers from diverse cultural backgrounds. Understanding and respecting these cultural differences is not just a matter of politeness. It's essential for building strong relationships, avoiding misunderstandings, and achieving success in the global marketplace. Why cultural awareness matters. Culture shapes our values, beliefs, and behaviors, including how we communicate. What's considered appropriate and effective communication in one culture might be completely different in another. Failing to recognize these differences can lead to misinterpretations, conflicts, and missed opportunities. Dimensions of cultural differences. There are many ways in which cultures differ, but some key dimensions that impact communication include high context versus low context. In high context cultures, for example Japan, China, Middle East, communication relies heavily on non-verbal cues, context, and shared understanding. In low context cultures, for example US, Germany, Switzerland, communication tends to be more explicit, direct, and focused on the words themselves. Individualism versus collectivism. Individualistic cultures, for example US, Australia, UK, prioritize personal achievements and independence. Collectivist cultures, for example China, Japan, Latin America, value group harmony and cooperation. These differences can influence how people communicate in groups and negotiate agreements. Power distance. This refers to the extent to which people accept unequal distribution of power. In high power distance cultures, for example India, Mexico, Philippines, there is a greater acceptance of hierarchical structure and formal communication styles. In low power distance cultures, for example Denmark, New Zealand, Israel, communication tends to be more egalitarian and informal. Uncertainty avoidance. This measures how comfortable people are with ambiguity and risk. In high uncertainty avoidance cultures, for example Greece, Japan, Portugal, there is a preference for clear rules, structure, and detailed communication. In low uncertainty avoidance cultures, for example Singapore, Jamaica, Denmark, people are more tolerant of ambiguity and comfortable with less formal communication. Navigating cultural differences. So how do you navigate these cultural differences? Here are a few tips. Be aware of your own cultural biases. We all have unconscious biases based on our own cultural upbringing. The first step is to recognize these biases and be open to learning about other cultures. Do your research. Before interacting with someone from a different culture, take the time to learn about their customs, values, and communication norms. Observe and listen. Pay attention to how people from different cultures communicate, both verbally and non-verbally. Learn from their examples and adapt your own style accordingly. Ask questions. Do not be afraid to ask questions for clarification if you're unsure of something. It is better to ask than to make assumptions that could lead to misunderstandings. Be patient and flexible. Intercultural communications can be challenging, so be patient, flexible, and willing to adapt your approaches as needed. Show respect. Treat everyone with respect, regardless of their cultural background. Avoid making generalizations or stereotypes. The rewards of intercultural communication. While intercultural communication can be challenging, it's also incredibly rewarding. By embracing cultural diversity and learning to communicate effectively across cultures, you can build stronger relationships, connect with people from all walks of life, and create a more inclusive workplace. Expand your knowledge and perspective. Gain new insights and broaden your understanding of the world. Enhance your creativity and innovation. Diverse teams bring together different ideas and perspectives, leading to more creative solutions. Achieve greater success in the global marketplace. Build trust and rapport with international clients and partners.